What's up, man? Y'all already know what this means. Alright, real talk, real talk. So first things first, man. So it's Christmas Eve, man. So I just left the gun store. You know what I'm saying? So since it's winter time, I can't really drive my car the way I want to. But I could go to the gun range whenever I want to. And I can shoot whenever I want to. So, what we got here, man? Well, first of all, I put half in on it, so the gun was 600. My mom's gave me 100. I put 200 in. My dad gave me 200. Towards the end, we basically able to get it. So it's kind of like a Christmas gift. Then it's like, it's kind of nice. So yeah, but it's technically for Christmas. So he gave me money in it. So I look at it like he gave me money to get the firearm I want for Christmas. So let's go. Let's look at what we got here, man. You know what this is, man. The title already gave it away, man. It's that Glock, man. This is a Glock 21 Gen 4. So I don't know exactly what's the difference between the generations in Glocks. Y'all can let me know down below. You know, y'all my helpers, you know what I'm saying? So y'all can let me know down below what's going on. So let's look. But the lady at the counter was trying to explain to me that Glocks or the generations just changed with the size. I like how blocky they are versus how curved they are. And the grips. So first thing first in the bag. I think it's like just a beaver. You can put a beaver tail on it. I don't know what you call this. I hope that's the right name. I hope I'm not butchering it. It comes with the speed loader. And you got a mag that holds 13. Yeah, that's an odd number, 13. And then you got 2 clips that hold 13. Oh, you get 3. That's actually pretty nice. You get 3. Okay. So then you get your, you know, your typical stuff inside the Glock bag. You get 3 clips. You get 3 clips. Boom, boom, boom. 3 clips, speed loader, beaver tail, Glock. Okay, so the real reason why I got a Glock 21 is because I shot my brother's Glock 30, and I like the way how the 4.5 shoot. But I did not like how little the handle was, because I got bigger hands, and I just like bigger firearms overall. And my first Glock, I got a Glock 48 MOS. I just like how. It's not enough. My mama just yelled downstairs because I told her we had eggs, and we supposedly got 4 eggs, and she's trying to make Oreo cheesecakes. Yeah, she out there talking her talk right now. But yeah, man, overall I like this thing, man. The barrel is 4.6 inches long, so that's the biggest handgun I own so far. I don't know how long the handle is. It comes with a Picatinny reel, so you can put like a laser on it and stuff. It got fixed sights, but you can slide these out and put nice sights in if I want it. It shoots a 4.5, big hole right there, big stupid hole. I don't know, that's pretty good. That slide back easy. See, this is why I think I like bigger guns. Them hard guns be hard to pull back, but this, easy. Both hands, easy. I like this. So let's see what we can do here. See what it look like in the inside. So let's see. So one thing I noticed is that Glocks do not come oiled up. They don't come like heavily oiled. I don't think they need a lot of oil to operate, but yeah, man, this what it look like in the inside. Complete breakdown. And overall, I'm satisfied with it. Next video, man, probably go show myself, you know, shooting it, using it. I gotta get ammo first for it and all that good stuff. So yeah, man, this is a Glock 21 breakdown and unboxing. Let me make sure this is down. Let me put this spring down. Okay, there we go. Yep. That's gonna wrap up this video for today, man. Hope y'all enjoy it, man. I'm gonna give y'all a review on this thing sometime next week. Peace.